Hey everybody, hope you all enjoyed the Super Bowl. And I know some of you watch that game strictly for the commercials, so let's talk about commercials. You see a lot of advertising nowadays from attorneys, particularly personal injury attorneys. And there's some great attorneys out there, there's some great firms out there, but be careful of responding quickly to an ad that's designed primarily just to cast a wide net. Some of these firms are casting a very, very wide net, trying to get as many fish and as many clients in as they can. The problem with that is they're not ultimately going to give the kind of service and attention to each particular file and each particular client the way it deserves. I've run into this in the past and had attorneys even take a file from me while I was working on it, had an established value on the file, notified the attorney of the value that was already placed in the file, the offer that was already placed in the file from the insurance company, only to have the attorney 2 years later tell me that they had settled the case for literally less than a third than what I had already worked the file up to on an offer. This is despite the attorney knowing what the offer on the file was. It just goes to show that in many cases, they're really not paying attention to the details, casting a wide net, and then essentially pumping and dumping files at the expense of the client, at the expense of being diligent and really focusing on the value for the client. So again, be careful who you're talking to, whose ad you're responding to, and I'm always here to respond to your questions with phone calls and emails, so reach out anytime. In the meantime, have a great week. Talk to you soon.